Welcome to Godot Essential, a series of tutorials where we learn the basics of Godot step by step without getting overwhelmed. By the end of this series, you will understand the essential principle of Godot and gdscript, so you can progress much faster when building your own games. Each episode is short, focused, and only covers one thing at a time. Before we dive in, what is Godot? Godot is a free and open source game engine. You can use it to make 2D and 3D games for mobile, desktop, or even web browsers. It's especially well suited for beginners because the editor is lightweight, the scripting language is very simple, and there is no complicated setup needed. But don't let that fool you. It's also powerful enough for professional projects. To install Godot, go to godotengine.org and download the latest stable version. Installation is simple, just download, unzip, and run the Godot executable. That's it. Now it's time to try Godot. Once you open Godot, you should see this window. Click on the Create button. Let's call it Hello Godot. Choose a folder on your computer to save it. Make sure Edit Now is checked and click Create to open the project. Now don't panic if the editor looks busy. You're seeing menus, panel, and lots of buttons. The truth is, you don't need most of this right now. For the first few lessons, we will only use a very small part of what you see here. The only thing we care about for now is this column on the left. This is the Scene panel. Let's go ahead and click on the top button called 2D Scene. Now the panel has changed and it's only showing one element called Not 2D. We will talk about it in another episode. For now, take a look at the center of the screen. This is the main workspace where you can see your scene. As you can see, the tab of your scene shows unsaved. This is because our scene is not saved on disk yet. You can save it by using a traditional keyboard shortcut, Command S on Mac or Control S on Windows, or through the upper menu. Let's name our file hello.tscn and press the Save button. Now you can see it in the resource tree of our project. This is where you will organize all the files you create for the game. Congratulations! You've just created your first scene within Godot. Great! Now everything is ready, let's try our scene. On the top of the screen you can see a bunch of buttons. Click on the play button, the one on the left. A message should appear, telling you that no main scene has been defined. This is normal. As we are able to create as many scenes as we want for a game, we have to tell Godot what scene it should show first when starting the game. You only have to do this once, but you are able to change it whenever you want. So let's click on the Select Current and voila! Your game is currently running. Don't worry if it's still empty. This is how it's supposed to be. Now you can close the game window by pressing the Stop button in the editor. Congratulations! You've just launched your very first game made with Godot. It's empty for now, but this is the foundation. So let's recap. You've learned to install Godot, create a new project, launch your very first game. That's already a huge step. You went from zero to having a working game project. In the next episode, we will write our first lines of code.